Hi everybody, welcome to Man Cake. My name is Dan, and today I'm joined by Jim.
Hi.
Starting a new channel, POPOTTER, for all your pop culture needs. And I think through 2019 I'll probably be stopping by over there to hang out a little bit. So definitely be sure to check that out also. I'll be throwing links down below. And if this is your first time, don't forget to click that subscribe button down below and ring the bell so you're kept up to date when brand new recipes are posted. And today, it's kind of a very special video I'm kind of excited for. This is going to celebrate all of you guys, all 1,000 subscribers. I made a cookie for all of you. I know you can't grab them through your phone or your iPad or your camera or your TV, wherever you're watching it, but they smell good, they look delicious. I'm going to be putting this quick recipe down below in the description with all the ingredients and the directions you need so you can make them yourself. Super quick, super easy, super delicious. And today we are gonna dive in like little cookie monsters and have a little good fashioned cookie eating challenge.
Here's my little cookie, my cookie monster.
Hey Siri, stop. So rules are gonna be simple. Whoever can eat the most cookies wins. I think it's fair. I've got my big wine glass of milk. You have your little cup.
My regular.
And I love my cookies. They're delicious.
A lot of milk.
It is a lot of milk. I'm kind of worried about it because I am kind of somewhat lactose intolerant, so this should be interesting. So we'll see how that goes. Hey Siri, set timer for 2 minutes. Go. Cookies.
Oh my god.
A lot of cookies.
It's a lot of cookies. They're tasty though.
I'm already tired. Wow, milk. Oh my, okay. It's a little over ambitious, more than I thought.
That's a lot of cookies.
There's a lot of cookies. Oh, I feel gross already. And I don't even think I ate a dozen. Whew.
How many did you eat?
I think I had like 18.
I had 25.
You definitely won. I feel like I'm the winner though with my milk. I'm good. So good with this. Well, that's all I have for you today. Again, thank you guys so much for all the support and the continued support. Really, 2018 has been a great year. You guys have made it perfect, and I'm super excited for 2019. Got a lots of fun things planned. Definitely be seeing a lot more Jim and his POPOTTER channel. Again, I'll be over there also. But you know, subscribe. Just click that button down below. You know, it's hop on the bandwagon. I'm on it. Everybody, 1,000 people are on it. I don't know where we're going with it, but might as well join the adventure. Who doesn't love a good, you know, road trip? Well, until next week. Bye.